Hey there, friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage today, doing a little bit of goofing around. And actually, I just got back from the range, and this wasn't supposed to be delivered till like tomorrow or the next day, but got back from the range and was getting ready to start doing some editing, and this got a notification that this was left at my door. So this was something one of the subscribers on the channel let me know about. I didn't even know it came out, but we have a package coming from Amazon, and this is a brand new release from Umarex, and it is very much a clone of another pellet gun. Actually, I'll probably pull the other one out so I can show you once we get it going, but there's the package, and what we have is the Umarex DSX-45 is what they're calling it. It's very much like the Daisy. Let me grab the Daisy out. Take a look at it real quick. Is that the one, the Daisy 340? Yep, that's the one. It's very much like the loading system on the Daisy Model 340, from what I understand anyway, where you have a bunch of pellets in the magazine, but has a 200 round reservoir with a small magazine you got to fill up by pulling out a little feeder. All right, let's get this thing open here. I hate these blister packs. I think all it comes with, doesn't look like it comes with any extra stuff. I mean, it's not 100% exactly like the 340, but it's very, very close, especially as far as the feeding mechanism goes. Actually, the bottom of the magazine looks exactly the same. I wonder if the magazines are interchangeable. Let's see. Just what else we got in here? Looks like just a manual and literature and stuff. All right, so here we go. That's the new gun. So these are a so anyway, you drop the magazine out and open up the reservoir, put a bunch of BBs in the reservoir, and then you take this little feeler thing, a little part here, pull it out till it clicks, shake it until this little line here fills up, and then close it back down again, and now you have, it says up to 13. Let's take a look at the Daisy real quick. So the Daisy, same type of deal. I purposefully did not shoot at the can I have downrange ready to go. But yeah, I mean, I think these maybe not. No, they're different. They're a little different. So the Daisy magazine is shorter. The bottoms are definitely, they definitely came out of the same person's mind. But let's go ahead and get some BBs in this this Umarex. So happen to have the Umarex Hornaday BBs here. Alright, that ought to get us started. So now you pull out the little mag follower, I guess you'd call it. Give it a shake until that little BB thing push it back in, and now you have BBs all up in the chamber there, the reservoir, magazine, whatever you want to call it. There it goes. Alright, let's hit the can. Or not. Hitting off to the left. Oh, ow. That rear sight is sharp. There it is. Looks like I'm hitting all off to the left there. Aiming at the right side of the can. Alright, I was aiming completely off the right-hand side of the can there. That one I was aiming, my target, wow, that's not good. So now you don't have to pull the magazine out, but you just pull that follower out, give it a shake, close it back down, and now you'll be ready to roll again. All right, let's see if the 340 is any better. I haven't shot it in a while. I don't remember. Oh, really high. Off to the left again. There it is. All right, well, we're gonna have to get used to the point of impact, I guess, with these before we. That's what's sharp, is that part right there where what looks like would be an adjustable sight, but really is not. And it's like hit right up against my finger whenever I cock it. That's not great. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of it, I guess. Yeah, started to hit most of them. Definitely could use some orange paint on that front sight, and maybe a little bit of softening of that edge on that piece right there. That's not great. So if you hold the slide up here towards the front more, all right, well, there you go. That is mail call. First look at the Umarex DSX-45. Very much, I mean, well, like you can definitely tell the trigger was made in the same mold. And the takedown and the safety are all the same. Slides are different. Frames are a little different. Magazine's a little different, but all in all, pretty much the same gun. I think I got the hang of it now. So anyway, there you go. Stay tuned for more. We'll do a full review on this guy down the road, but this is just the mail call showing you guys the new product coming in. Am I thoroughly impressed? Not really, but it's a fun little plinker. Once you get the hang of it, you can start hitting the can, get it cut, and it'll plink. But I got plenty others to play around with out here too, so stay tuned for some more action. Hope you guys liked the video. Until next time, have a great day.